Hi everyone! Are you trying to get some quick sales? Well, this beautiful bracelet with basic knot and 2026 numbers is a good option for you. It looks really beautiful and is really easy to make. Let's begin. These are the materials of today. As the first step, we're gonna cut 45 centimeters. And before we start, we're gonna melt it. And now we're gonna cut 130 centimeters. We're gonna make the basic knot. Here I show you the step by step so you can follow it. We're gonna start with the left side. We're gonna make like a 4, and with the other side, we're gonna pass it down. And we continue with the other side, and again we're gonna make like a 4, and then with the other side we're gonna pass it down. Here I show you from closer so you can pay close attention. Remember that we start with the left side and then the right, left and right. We're gonna continue making the basic knot or the flat knot until we have 5 centimeters. Once we have our 5 centimeters, we're gonna start with the first bit. We're gonna introduce, and after that we're gonna make the basic knot, one to the left side and one to the right side. Once we have the basic knot, we're gonna introduce our first number. In this case, it's gonna be number 6. And then we're gonna make the basic knot again, one to the left side and one to the right side. And we're gonna continue this way until we have 2026 and we finish with a bead. After that, we're gonna continue making the basic knot as normal. Once we finish, we're gonna cut the rest of the thread. And now we're gonna melt the rest. And this is how it looks until here. This is the design of this bracelet. This bracelet it's about 14 centimeters. And as a next step, we're gonna make the sliding closing knot. We're gonna cut 25 centimeters, and for the sliding closing knot, we're gonna make the basic knot or the flat knot. We're gonna make around 7 to 8 knots. Remember that at the end I will show you how it looks. Once we finish, we're gonna cut the rest and we're gonna melt it. And now you can choose the size you like the most. And now we're gonna introduce one bead in each side and we're gonna close with a simple knot. And now we're gonna cut the rest and we're gonna melt it. And this is how it looks at the end with just 2026 for the current year, but you can try it with different numbers. It looks really beautiful and your customers will love it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next.